Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a Leetcode easy question that I just resolved on my own after about a year. So I'm pretty happy about this and let's go over it again. So this one is number 599, minimum index sum of two lists. So basically find a word that appears in both list 1 and list 2 and try to find, if you add both of those indexes together, the smallest sum of those. Try to return all the words that have those smallest sums. So here you can see from the example, happy and sad both have 1, so return both of them. And it doesn't matter which order you return that in. So let's go ahead and create two default dicts of type list for each word and their index in both of the inputs. So for I, L in enumerate list 1, 1 of L dot append I, so the word itself, and then the index, which is 0 in this case. And then let's do the same for the second list. So 2 of L dot append I. And then now we can go over either dictionary because the word has to be in both dictionaries, aka both lists. So if O is in 2, then the total is just going to be the minimum of 1O because we're looking to find the least index sum. So we can just take the minimum of both lists wherever they appear and the smallest index appearance of the word in the first list and then the same thing in the second list. And then let's go ahead and actually create this because we're trying to find the minimum. And then let's go ahead and create a sorted list to hold small, the total, and then also the word itself, which is just the same word, right? And then let's go over our sorted list. So index 0, index 1. So again, if S of 0, the total happens to be equal to the smallest total that we've seen throughout this entire process, then we can just append S of 1, which is just going to be the word itself, right? So then at the end, we can just return answer, right? So let's print SL just so you guys can understand better. So that just includes the total sum plus that word, the smallest total sum you can find, because we're only iterating, these keys are unique in each dictionary. So in this case, it's Shogun. And again, there may be duplicate answers because you can see both of these are the smallest out of all these numbers, 1, 1, and 4. And then we just append those words, right? Okay, let's submit this. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm pretty happy that I was able to solve this one completely on my own without any help relatively easily. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.